Hey guys, Andy Demi here from the London Trading Institute. Hope you guys had a good weekend. Mine could have been a little bit better, but I'm not going to get into speaking about any kinds of sports because that might just give me, might get me a little bit angry, let's say. So, we don't want that. We want to be focused on our goals. And today, what I want to talk about is a quote that I heard recently that I thought was great, and it really resonated with me because as a trader I really think this really applies. And that quote is the following, and it was taken from an Anthony Robbins podcast, okay? And it's as follows. The quote goes, "Complexity is the enemy of execution." Complexity is the enemy of execution. And it really applies to trading. You see, I am a student of the markets. I've been trading now for 20 years, but I am still a student of the markets. And I love to learn new things. It's kind of exciting, right? New indicators, new strategies, new idea, new asset classes like cryptos. However, there's one real key principle to being able to trade successfully, and that is the ability to execute a plan flawlessly. In other words, the ability to be able to follow rules that can be repeated and therefore can be scaled. Now think about this, guys. You could have a really great strategy that is very difficult to understand and certainly very challenging to implement. And that strategy might be great for the person that might be able to implement it, but for most people they're not going to be able to implement it consistently. The reality is, if you cannot implement a strategy with fixed black and white rules, you're never going to be consistent. So therefore, how do you expect to be able to replace your income from your job, if that's your goal, which it is for most, if you can't trust the rules that you're implementing, if you can't consistently implement those rules? The reality is you can't, right? And that's why you need to make your system simple, at least to begin with. You've got to make it simple. All you need to succeed at trading is an edge. Now, think of this, right? You may have heard me say this example before, but just imagine we didn't look at a chart. We didn't do any technical analysis. But what we did was we went into our pockets, we got our wallet out, and we said, right, we're going to flip a coin. And if it's heads, we're going to buy GBP versus dollar. And if it's tails, we're going to sell GBP versus the dollar. And we're going to put a target of 50 pips. Well, that absolutely rubbish strategy would roughly break even with an infinite amount of times. Now, I know you clever, smart people out there are going to say, no, it wouldn't, Andy, because, you know, there are trading commissions. I know that. But I'm giving you a very simple example, because if you think of it, that example, imagine what if you did some basic technical analysis that can be repeated? What if you use some trend lines that can be repeated, some support and resistance that can be repeated, some indicators even, okay? I'm a big fan of price action first, but even some indicators. Would that be helpful? Well, surely you can do better than flipping a coin by just doing some of that analysis. You know, if technical analysis works, which I know it does, and I'm sure you must believe it does, then surely with just doing some basic technical analysis, you should have an edge. Now, I'm not saying you're going to become a millionaire from that edge, but you can make money from that edge. And here's the thing. Making money is something that is not common practice in trading for some reason, because people are not consistently implementing rules. And this is all you need to do. You need to find a strategy, work on a strategy that has fixed rules, that clearly has an edge, and start making some money. Start, even if it's on a demo account, start making some results, getting some results. And then use that platform to then start to add a little bit more complexity to your trading, okay? Because obviously the more understanding you have of the markets and the way they work, okay, when you start using more advanced tools the way that we do, like, you'll obviously improve your edge and you'll make a bigger return, okay? And that's important to understand, but you've got to start somewhere. All right, guys, hope that helps. Let me know in the comments if you need any other help. What kind of help can I give you? What kind of content would be helpful to you? Comment below. Let me know, okay? And if you enjoyed the video, please like our videos, okay? Whatever platform you're watching, subscribe if you're on YouTube, or like our videos if you're in our Facebook group, the Crypto and FX Traders Club, wherever you're watching this. And most importantly, remember to have a great day, and I'll catch you again soon with another video. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.